I'm here in Tallebudgera Valley on the Gold Coast, about to take you through this single level family home. This home combines Scandinavian, Australian and modern design to create a contemporary retreat. Let's check it out. Now before we head inside, I do just want to point out the sandstone feature here, as well as the fluted glass and the timber detailing. All of these features will appear in the interiors as well, so keep an eye out. So we're welcomed into this property with these high ceilings here. There's an abundance of natural light just pouring in through all of the windows, looking out into that gorgeous view. Very open and very warm, and now that I'm in this space, I'm noticing it's actually quite a minimal palette. You've got this pure oak timber finish, which is carried through into the cabinetry and the styling pieces, and then the rest of the property is this fresh, bright white in the walls and the bench tops. Now it's rare that a butler's pantry excites me just as much as a kitchen, but take a look in here. The addition of these Zallige tiles really add a farmhouse feel into this little nook. This house was designed to really maximise the large properties, so its elongated shape allows for most spaces to have a view of Tallebudgera Creek. So as we come around from the kitchen, there's this long gallery here leading down to the kids' retreat. Here we have a little powder room, some gorgeous ceramic wall lights from We Ponder. Now I love this breezeway that just allows light to filter through from both sides, looking out into this open air central garden. And here we have the kids' retreat. So there's actually 3 bedrooms down this end of the house, the guest bedroom and the 2 boys' bedrooms here, and then off to my left is the main bathroom. So we're standing in the main bathroom, and already I'm seeing design elements that I've seen throughout the rest of the house, like the pure oak finish, the fresh whites, and even that fluted glass detailing. But also there's this terrazzo tile, this charcoal with little flecks of beige, which just pairs so well with that brushed nickel. So back down the northern end of the house, and here's a study off to my right. And down the stairs is the laundry. And might I say, I don't think I've ever seen a laundry with a better view. Come check out the master suite. Now this master is the ultimate sanctuary. Again, those high ceilings just making this space feel so grand and spacious. And through here is the ensuite. Now this feature wall is super interesting. These small white mosaics create texture and lift the space, while the beige terrazzo grounds the room in warmth. And the actual wall itself is quite functional. It hides a double shower behind here, which allows this freestanding bath to remain the focus of the room. So the windows surrounding this bath blur the lines between indoor and outdoor. It's the next best thing to having an actual outdoor bath. But if you're after a little more privacy, these soft sheers completely transform the space. Look at that, it's like your own little private spa. Finally, we make it out here to the alfresco area. What's super interesting about this space in particular is that it's a complete flip of the living. So where the living has timber floors and a white roof, out here we've got the white floor and the timber roof. Not only that, the decor is mirrored as well as the fireplace. Tally Valley House have created a serene, contemporary family home here on the Gold Coast. I hope you guys liked this tour just as much as we did. See you next time.